So in this setup, I have a laptop, a book scanner, and I have a whiteboard for information to write on it that can't be captured on the images. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm inserting a numbered flag into the book so that I can track the number book that has been captured in the sequence of this batch. Next, I'm writing on a whiteboard to add some information for the cataloger's assistance, such as its language. I have that unique number written in the top right. And now I'm writing its size in centimeters, again, because they can't ascertain that from the images. Now I'm looking through to see what the last paginated page is, and I'm writing that down as well. I'm going to capture an image with that page just so that the cataloger knows that for sure, but it's a nice thing to point out on this whiteboard. So now I'm going to go ahead and capture that whiteboard image with that information as the first image the cataloger will see. You'll notice that I did the capture without having to put my hand on the scanner or on the computer, and it's because I'm using a setup with a foot pedal. So I start by capturing the front cover, and now I'm moving on to the title page here, the title page verso. And next I'm moving on to some of the front matter. Like I said, including the front matter in its entirety can really help a cataloger with subject analysis, and it can also help with filling in some contents notes if that's part of your requirements for your own catalogs. So now that I've captured that information, there's no illustrations, so I'm going to go ahead and capture that last paginated page to confirm what that number is. After that, I'm also going ahead and going to capture any content that's after the last paginated page, just in case it's useful to the cataloger. And once I'm finished, I'll go ahead and capture the back cover. And just in no time, I've gone ahead and captured an entire surrogate that can be sent to a cataloger. What I'm going to do now is select all of those images and export it as a PDF so that it's all in one combined file. I'm saving it with the item's language as well as that unique number I applied to it for file management. And once that exports, I can remove all of those images from the queue. And now I'm ready to start with the next book.